Capital expenditure projects. This query trigger is available under CapEx and M&A section. This query trigger enables you to find companies based on their live investment projects of the specified industries. A company may have several projects. All projects are classified by industries. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger using an example. Suppose we want to find companies having live capital expenditure projects in the automobile ancillary industry. To execute this query, you need to follow 4 steps. The first step is to select the industry from the Select Industry box. Let us select the industry Automobile Ancillary, which is available under Transport Equipment, under Manufacturing, under Non-Financial, by clicking the checkbox against it. The second step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSC. The domain All Companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Prowess database, and the domain Companies in Current OSC will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. Let us select the domain All Companies. The third step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 4 formats possible. The first one is the output sheet of companies, which lists the names of companies which have met the criteria specified in the query trigger. The second one is also OSC, which displays companies along with the data on project industry, status, and cost. The third output destination is the worksheet, which displays companies and the project details. The fourth one is the TXT output, which displays data in a text file. Let us select WS as our output destination. The fourth step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to run your query. Since we have selected All Companies as our domain, we can select any one of 3 Execute options. These are Add to Current OSC and WS, Send to New OSC and WS, and Replace Current OSC and WS. Add to Current OSC and WS will add the qualifying companies in the current output sheet and will add the qualifying companies with its data in the worksheet. Send to New OSC and WS will create a new output sheet and worksheet. Output sheet of only qualifying companies and worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Replace Current OSC and WS will replace the contents in the output sheet with the qualifying companies and create a new worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Let us click on Send to New OSC and WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that 2 outputs, OSC and WS, have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display companies which have live capital expenditure project in the automobile ancillary industry along with the data. The output sheet will display the list of companies which match the criteria given in the query trigger. To view the output sheet of companies, click on Output View Workspace and view the current output sheet.